Today on Happiest Camper, we show you how to make your own cowl scarf. When the weather starts to cool and you feel that chill in the air, there is nothing cozier than a warm cowl scarf. This project is as cute as it is functional. Let's get started. Select your fabric for the outer part and the lining of your scarf and lay it out on your table or cutting mat. Cut one piece that is 9.5 inches by 32.5 inches from each piece of fabric. Lay the lining, in my case Sherpa, with the fuzzy side up. Then lay the flannel face down on top of the lining and pin the two pieces together along both long sides. Sew the two pieces together along those long sides, making sure to remove your pins as you go. You can just line up the edge of the fabric with the edge of the sewing foot for your seam allowance. Remember to do a lock stitch at the start and end of both sides. A lock stitch is when you start sewing, push the reverse button to run back over those few stitches, then release the button and keep sewing. Now, fold the scarf inside itself so that all the raw edges are at one end. Make sure the ends line up and pin them in place. If you have a machine that has the front panel that is removable, it makes it easier to sew around the scarf. Starting on the Sherpa side of the fabric, sew the edges together, making sure you are only sewing 2 edges together and not all 4 as you work your way around. We want that middle area to stay open. When you are almost done, leave a 3 to 4 inch opening on the flannel side for turning. Now, reach inside the opening and pull the fabric through so that all the right sides are now outside. Go slow and take your time so you don't mess up your stitches. It will take a little working to get all the fabric through. The last thing we need to do is close that opening you just pulled everything through. To do this, simply fold the raw edges slightly inside so you have a smooth edge showing on the outside. Add some pins here to hold it closed. Then, sew as close to the edge as you can to close it up. Do a lock stitch at the start and finish on this as well. Just be sure you are only sewing the flannel opening and not to the Sherpa side. This is a great little project to tackle as the weather begins to cool off. Make a few of these and give them as gifts to friends and family. It will keep them warm inside and out. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this cowl scarf tutorial. We have so many great sewing projects for fall. Visit us at happiestcamper.com to see all our great sewing projects and tutorials. Thanks for watching.